If you are looking for 3D modeling software, then you are in the right place. Today we're going to have a look at Blender, we're going to have a look at Maya. We want to know what they offer and how they can actually benefit your 3D modeling journey. So let's dive in. So ladies and gentlemen, Blender is free and free software is awesome. Let's check exactly why Blender is a cut above the rest. So with Blender, you can discover the world's most powerful open source 3D creation software that is revolutionizing digital art, and it has been for a very long time, animation and also game development across many industries. So why are people choosing Blender and why should you choose Blender? Some of their advantages, of course, is the 100% free and open source. This means that there's no licensing fees or subscription costs, and there's constantly improvements by passionate global community members. And these are developers and artists who understand what your creative needs are. Also, it has cross-platform power, so it runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, with Python scripting support for completely customized workflows and automation. And then it's a complete creative pipeline. So it's literally everything you need in one package, including modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, compositioning, motion tracking, and even video editing capabilities, all in one space. And then literally from hobbyists to Hollywood, Blender is something that's been used by literally everybody. Some of their powerful benefits and features include their advanced creative tools, right? So you have professional sculpting brushes, realistic physics simulations, dynamic particle effects, and very precise camera tracking for stunning visual storytelling. It also has industry-leading rendering. So Cycles and EV engines deliver both photorealistic ray-traced images and lightning-fast real-time previews with cinematic effects. Their optimized workflow is a customizable interface. They have keyboard shortcuts and Python automation tools to boost your productivity and adapt to your unique creative process. And then it's a thriving ecosystem. There's thousands of tutorials, there's free plugins, active forums, and regular updates to ensure there is continuous learning and expansion on the features. Okay, so Autodesk Maya is a pretty cool 3D creation powerhouse. This is an industry-leading 3D computer graphics application, and it's trusted by the world's most creative professionals. From Hollywood blockbusters to AAA video games, Maya has transformed imagination into a stunning reality. Now let's have a look at why Maya leads the industry. Maya offers studio-grade trust. So it powers creation at Disney, Pixar, and Framestore for blockbuster films and AAA games. It offers a complete pipeline. So anything from modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, texturing, and rendering unified all in one powerful tool. It has AI-powered workflows. So you get smart automations that handle complex tasks, which can free you to focus on pure creativity and innovation. It also has integrations, so it has OpenUSD support with native connections to Unreal Engine, Keyshot, and industry-standard tools. The last thing over here is how it's a game changer and how it's going to actually benefit you. So first of all, it offers advanced rigging systems. So you can see over here is node-based rigs that create lifelike character movement with customizable skeletons and precise constraints. It also has a powerful animation suite. So there's keyframes, motion capture, nonlinear editing, and AI-driven deformers for smooth, natural motion. Also, it has stunning visual effects, so the Bifrost graph creates realistic explosions, smoke, cloth simulations without any code complexity. This means that you can jump straight in without having that background. It has industry standard rendering. It has sculpting and NURBS modeling, and it is accessible for all. So you get a free 3-year student license, and there are very flexible subscription plans that are designed for individuals as well as professional studios. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Now you've seen the best of the best. The takeaway here is to go and try all of the software that is available. See what actually works for you specifically. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.